All right, I'm back with another Money Origami original. Sort of a request from Ruddy, and I'm going to show you different ways you can make the super top. And the idea came from, I thought I would make these little holders for silver rounds, then you could stick them on the wall with a thumbtack. And then I thought, wow, you can make it spin, but the silver round was moving too much. So I stuck one inside the UFO model with the thumbtack in the bottom, and it spun pretty good. You can also, you can fold the UFO model up to 20 minutes, which I know it's kind of long, though it was quite a while ago when I made that video, and I don't know, some of my videos are pretty long. Or you can make it from the Money Origami display stand, and that one, before you close the top, so at 12 minutes and 35, you would switch over to this video. And I think it works a little bit better with the Money Origami display stand fold. Now, when you're doing those angle folds on the top, you want to make all the folds the same. Well, and the bottom on the UFO with 3 millimeters sticking up, so that you get a nice curved pointed dome type bottom part. And the reason why I'm saying the Money Origami display stand works a little bit better is because we have this extra edge folded down in, which helps keep the silver round from sliding. So it's basic 1 ounce silver round. And then the thumbtacks, when I was a kid, these were a lot more common, and they were a lot higher quality too. And so they still sell them. But the thing is, most of them, the point doesn't stick up very straight. And so I had to pick this one out and see how when it spins, the needle's not moving very much. That's the kind you want to pick out. And what you do is you take the Money Origami display stand, and it's folded in before you close the top. You push that part up on the bottom, and you stick the thumbtack through the little hole, and then you push it back down, and make sure it stays together really good. Well, before you close it, and you put the silver round in, and close it all down nice and sturdy, and that's all there is to it, really. And there it is. So so the silver round still slips a little bit inside, and I was trying to figure out a way to make it work a little bit better with some other coins, and I still have one idea left to try. Let's fold it over inside. Let's get that back straight. But I did have one idea, and if you get a little rubber band, and you can just drop it in there. And this one's a little bit too big. Actually, it's actually just about right. Just got to get that down in there first. You get a rubber band that's smaller than the diameter, and you stick it down in there. it would probably even work just laid in there sloppy like that. But, you know, we got to have it in there flat just for precision. It's a little bit too big. I didn't actually put this in here yet. But we're still going to do it. I'm going to cut the rubber band and take out a little piece. And lay that down in the bottom. It's going to help the silver round not slip around the dollar, hopefully. So now we'll put this in. And let's see if it works better. Well, it's causing the thumbtack to be up higher. So, tape is really out of the origami realm. But, it's a novelty top. But if you really wanted to make it where it spins really well, you could put a little piece of tape, maybe two, right there and right there, across the thumbtack to hold it down and straight. And then the rubber band might not interfere as much. But this is how it really goes. And if you got the UFO top, then the top looks like that with the silver round inside. And this was the UFO that stands up by itself. So probably wouldn't really fold out of that one so well. And it works pretty good. It's not the coolest thing ever, of course. But there you go. That's the super top tutorial. So let me know if you have any problems trying to make that. And the trick is the key, when you fold up the bottom, it should have a nice tight overlapping here. If it's already got a hole, then, if it's too loose, the tack's not going to stay in place. So, make the money origami display stand, put your tack in, silver round, and there you're done. All right. Thanks for watching. And we're going to try to get another request in. The money origami piece of cheese. What the heck, It's kind of cool looking. I don't have one anymore because I destroyed it making the Declaration of Independence ring. So, see, the silver round is slipping inside. And so it doesn't get a great spin every single time. Alright, we'll end the video with that one. Thanks for watching. Like and share and subscribing. Have a good one.